So today is Saturday the 15th of May. It's one of my last days here in Hong Kong. Flying to Beijing on Wednesday the 19th. So I got recommended to check out some last things here. So this video is going to take you around, show you some last things, and then some evening lights later. So let's do it. Oh, really beautiful. It's amazing. I've never been here before. It's beautiful. Wow. You see the sunshine? It's crazy beautiful. It's the Manmo temple here in Taiwan. That was really nice. I'm really happy I came here actually. I was just stopped in the street because someone saw my camera and said, you have to go up and check it out. So happy about that. But now I'm gonna go down and take the tram and actually buy a new phone because I needed to go to China. So let's do that. This place is actually really cool. Manmo temple here, just next to the buildings here. That is Hong Kong, that's for sure. Here you can even find some Swedish coffee. That's weird. This cool little famous street down there. You can see a lot of stuff to buy here, but I'm not gonna do that today. Hong Kong really has some cool atmosphere here with a really dynamic cityscape, skyscrapers in the background. It's kind of crazy. I've been here like every single day taking the tram here going to work. I'm gonna jump on it one of the last times. Gonna show you a bit of the view. It's really cool when you go in here. You see all the buildings and you follow along. We're getting closer to Central. See the HSBC building in the background. Now I get off here in Wanchai, actually where I normally get off work every single day. But in a few days that's gonna stop. Now I'll be in Beijing in quarantine. But it's a really cool old building here at the Pawn. It's like a bar. And you have the Wanchai playground here. But I'm gonna go to the electronics markets actually, grab a new phone. I really like Wanchai. It's colorful and very dynamic here with different types of buildings and a lot of cool stuff going on actually. Actually, now that I thought of it, I think I'm gonna pass by my favorite small little lunch spot here and just say hi to them and bye to them and try one of the favorite foods I have here. This is normally when I walk to work every day. I'm just gonna show you guys before I go and get the phone. Here is actually a pretty cool area here. The Wanchai Market, I'm gonna show you guys. I've showed you in some other videos before a long time ago, but not in a while. I'm just gonna go here and see, grab some meat. Quite interesting here. You have this guy with a big snake on his sign here. That is quite interesting, that's for sure. Get the local experience. It's been a while since I made one of these eating videos, so it's always fun to show what that looks like. This is what a typical local places look like otherwise. Yeah, people sitting eating. I'm gonna go and see if my favorite spot is here. Yes, they're here. Huh? Yes. Hi. Huh? Very good. My last time. Have to try. Yeah. Have to try. Wow. So this is where they make all the secret meat. That is crazy. This is like the dream come true. I am happy I came here, and that's exactly what I'm gonna order to show you guys. That is insane. Probably a little bit different than what a typical food setting is in the West. Can I have one beef, one mushroom? It's my last time to come here. I wanna show my friends.
Shanghai.
Beijing. Yeah, I lived in Shanghai before, 4 years. And here, 4 years. Now Beijing, 2 years. Also lived in Korea 1 year.
Where you come from?
Sweden.
Sweden?
Yeah. So we got the beef here. Wow. We have some mushrooms. Some pork, a bit more fatty pork here, I think. More of the same. And then making it over there. A little bit different hygiene standard perhaps than what people are used to back home, but that's what it is here. More the local experience, the real deal. Oh, hi. Hello, hello. Wow, that looks good. That is looking good. It's mine? No. Oh yeah. No. Only meat and vegetables. Yeah. I was actually here for lunch yesterday. Going for the double vegetables. Yes. Very good. Too. Good to be strong. Very good. Love these ones. This is some good stuff. Oh, wow. Now we're talking. Look at that meat. Nice, crazy. Then we have this. This is the dream. Wow. Let's dig in here. We have all this meat in the background. That is crazy. I always try to avoid noodles, so I have a lot of the meat instead here. That basically get full from the vegetables. Let's try one. And then we have a little bit of the oyster sauce here. That is some good stuff. That is good. Love this one. You can also have some chili oil here as well, actually. That is good. And this one, you can find some little spicy chili sauce. Now that is not for everyone, but I love my chili sauce. That is some spicy stuff. Nice. Oil is not the healthiest, but well, that's not why I'm here. I'm just gonna enjoy this. Look at this goodness. Wow, that is amazing. Now let's go for the main thing, the meat. Ooh, look at this. Look at this juicy meat here. It's crazy. Beef tendon. Wow. I can never have enough of this. It's incredible. Wow. This is too good to be true. Happy I brought you guys here to experience this. Definitely worth a bit of a detour from the otherwise boring Tesco buying phone. This is much more enjoyable. I'm gonna finish this up, but really nice. I love this local food. And then I'm gonna go back to exploring. See you there. And we have the last piece here. Kind of looks like a battlefield here. That's what happens. It's spicy. My nose is running. Spicy, but let's finish this up and move on. Making dumplings. Shrimp. Actually, okay, shrimp. Shrimp dumplings. Oh, it looks very nice. Yeah. Oh, it looks very cute. Yes, very good. Very professional. That was nice. 60 for that little treat. There's a lot of other cool stuff here, but it's more fun actually in the evening when you have all the cool lights. Now I'm just gonna pass by the electronics market quickly and go back here. But it's a lot of fun stuff here. I'm trying to make the most out of it while I can, eating all this local stuff. So tomorrow I'm also gonna have a lot of local food, maybe for dinner later as well. Let's see. Great, so I went here to the Wanchai Market and got a phone and this nice cute little dog bag. Mission accomplished. Now let's go back. Sun is starting to set here. Really nice. You get the long shadows. Wanchai. Get a bit of a tram adventure here. Going back to Shanghai from Wanchai. See the IFC, it's a pretty cool shape of that building. HSBC in the background. Have a sun egg. Now we're coming back into Central. In the winter it's really cool here when you have all the Christmas decoration, but obviously not right now. Here we have Central Hong Kong, one of the most expensive places in the world for shops. Louis Vuitton over here, of course. These ones here. You can put in your jewelry or watches and stuff and get cash if you need that. Really nice now when the sun is setting. You get some lights. See some of the neon lights are coming out for the evening. Nice. Love all this local places. Eating here evening. But I'll do some more video on that later. Definitely when I'm in China, that's for sure. Ooh, these look interesting. Wow. Okay, try one of those. Okay, try this. This is good.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, try one, yeah. Going for some food exploration here. It's not gonna be a healthy day, but well, it's one of the last. Counting the days literally. Only 5? Okay.
1.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, I have no idea what it's gonna be like, but it looks pretty nice. I'm gonna dig in and try this one. Have a bite. Looks sweet. eat it and try it at the same time here. Okay, it's actually almost like sweet bread. Quite nice. Wow. Basically kind of like, almost like baguette, I would say, with kind of a sugary touch to it. Not too bad. Yeah, definitely happy to try this one. And actually inside you see it's almost like kind of like baguette. Interesting, never tried this one before. Okay, let's see, let's continue. Now we're out there on one of the main streets. Queens Road here, in the middle of Hong Kong. People are starting to sit in the bars and the restaurants. We'll see, maybe I'm gonna meet up some friends for some final bye-bye beers later. We'll see. Love the contrast with like the high rises here. Then they go over to the more sort of older, smaller buildings here. And just go up in one of these valleys or alleys. You can buy some underwear here if you like it. We're gonna go up here and so I'm gonna finish off my bread here. We have all these local things in the background. Some construction, some old school places here. Up here is the Soho area where all the cool spots are. You have a small local cool jewelry store as well. With a nice spot. Let's check it out. Okay, so now I'll just leave you guys here with some mixed clips from walking around Soho here in central Hong Kong. It's a really vibrant area that just started to open up again when I was leaving here in May 2021. So unfortunately it was quite closed down for almost 1.5 years. But it has a lot of great atmosphere and restaurants and bars and a lot of cool spots. So after having some nice Italian food here, I met up with some other friends actually at a Korean spot here in the end. So if you come to Hong Kong, you should definitely explore around here, Soho, both in the daytime and in the evening. It used to be really crowded here in the old days, and I heard things are luckily starting to open up now again and coming back a little bit more of a normal time again during summer of 2021. You know, but Hong Kong has so much to offer, and I really hope that I managed to show at least a little bit of it here in my videos with, you know, hikes, islands, beaches, all this incredible food and nightlife as well. So if you want to see more of this, give me a like and also check out my other videos as well, or even subscribe if you feel like it, if you want to see some more food and travel. Hopefully the world will open up, you know, again soon, but until then I'll be in China. So next up is exploring Beijing and Shanghai and hopefully some other places too. But until next time, take care. Thank you all for all the memories in Hong Kong and hope to be back really soon. Bye bye.